Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 5 of my WealthSimple Trade Challenge. As you can see, the portfolio is up to $3,273 and up to about 7.87% all time. Just to kind of go over the all-time dividends that I've received as well, we're still at $18.21, which was the same as in our last update as well. So as you can see, today we're down a little bit on the day, about $10, $9.45 to be exact. But we're still making some all-time gains, and this is keeping to, for the most part, high yield dividend stocks, and we're going to be buying a couple of those today as well. So as we scroll down here, we can see kind of all the positions that I'm currently in. What I want to do today is buy a couple shares of Enbridge to start off with today. This is a really good high yield dividend stock. As we scroll down here, we can see the dividend yield is about 7%, which is absolutely incredible. I think Enbridge is a great stock to hold, and I don't think it's crashing anytime soon. So I'm going to buy about 2 shares of this. Good. Awesome. The next stock I want to be buying today is, as we scroll down a little bit further, and I want to talk about it a little bit today as well, is VRE. So that's the ticker symbol. It's a Vanguard FTSE Canadian Capped REIT Index ETF. So basically what this is I wanted to stack a little bit of my portfolio into the real estate market. And this is a really good ETF, which is an exchange traded fund. Basically, it puts my money in a bunch of different real estate companies. I can go more in depth into what the exact holdings are if need be. If anyone has any questions, just let me know. So unfortunately, we don't have enough to buy 5 shares. So let's stick with 4 today and just at market buy. But I think VRE is a really good way to tap into the real estate market because it's so volatile, and because we're in the pandemic and everything. It's really hard to say where the real estate market is going to the future. This talking about commercial versus residential real estate. So VRE really taps into both sectors. So I think it's a really good position to hold long term. So if we refresh the page here, again, we're up at about $3,271, 7.8% all time. Again, thank you guys so much for kind of tuning into my bi-weekly updates, or every 2 weeks, and we'll continue to do so and grow the portfolio over time. If you get a chance, really appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you had any questions or concerns moving forward, let me know in the comments. Before I head out, I just want to mention that I still have that WealthSimple Trade referral code, and that's a link in the description, as well as I'm starting to use Shakepay to buy some crypto. So expect an update within the next month or so about my crypto portfolio, but here's where we're at with the stock portfolio right now.